Hi, I'm JP Alfano, and for this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a durable, stylish travel kit using the HD9. Be creative with the material you have laying around. I made mine using the leather from an old couch. The pattern is provided in the link below, but make sure to create piece A, the rectangle, to scale, 12 inches by 8 inches twice. The circle pieces and smaller rectangles for tabs can be traced using the pattern. Be sure to cut the zipper at 11 inches long. Fold the circle pieces in half and notch with scissors at opposite ends. This will allow us to easily line the pieces up later when we sew them together. Repeat this around the circles for a total of 4 notches per circle. Next, we will create and attach the zipper stoppers. Take the tabs and using double-sided tape or a clip, fold in at a 1/4 inch seam or the width of the presser foot. Complete the step 4 times, sewing in each side of the 2 tabs. Using double-sided tape or clips, position the 2 previously sewn tabs on either side of the zipper to act as zipper stoppers. Now we'll attach the zipper. Center the zipper along the 12-inch side of piece A. Face sides together and adhere with double-sided tape or clips. Sew your zipper onto piece A. I'm using the adjustable zipper foot for this because it gives me a really clear line of sight and I can get super close to the zipper. Fold your zipper and top stitch using the UltraGlide foot. The design of this foot gives it the ability to sew smoothly on materials like leather or denim. Duplicate this on the other panel to fully attach the zipper to both pieces. Next, we will sew the spine of the bag. On the bottom of the bag and on the wrong side of the material, sew the bag closed using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. I've attached my cloth guide in order to keep my spacing consistent. Finally, we'll attach the pull tabs and side circular panels. First, fold one tab in half, good sides facing out, and adhere together. Begin to clip or tape the circle into place, starting at the top against the zipper, sandwiching the tab in between the zipper and circle. The center of the circle should line up with the zipper using previously made notches as guides. Sew with a 3/8 seam allowance all the way around, starting and ending at the sandwich tab. Be sure to keep the zipper slightly open in order to pull fabric through later. Repeat this for the other circle. Also, the up-down needle memory function allows me to always end with the needle down, so I can maneuver the material to get around the curves without losing my place. Finally, turn your bag right side out and admire the finished product. So be sure to make this travel kit in time for your next trip.